Hello students, you are connected to English online class. So let's begin it. Students, we are going to go through the topic of nouns. We have read that nouns are naming words of whom, of person, place, thing and animal. And now we are going to go through the kinds of nouns. Here we are to do collective noun. Class, as we know that collective noun, the heading itself is defining the definition. Collective word means to collect, किसी चीज़ को इकट्ठा करना. And to what to collect? When we collect persons, animals and things at one place, बेटा जब हम पर्सन एनिमल्स एंड थिंग्स को एक ही जगह इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं एंड मीन्स एज अ होल, और उन्हें हम एक ही फॉर्म में कंसिडर करते हैं, वी टेक देम एज अ होल, उन्हें एक ही फॉर्म में कंप्लीट फॉर्म में कंसिडर करते हैं, देन वी कॉल इट कलेक्टिव नाउन. लेट्स गो थ्रू द डेफिनेशन फॉर मोर इलेबोरेशन. Here is the definition. When we collect persons, animals or things at one place means as a whole. When we collect persons, animals or things at one place and take them as a whole, और उन्हें एक complete form में collect करते हैं, then we call it collective noun. For example, students go to school to attend their class. In a class, number of students are sitting. So what do we call? For example, that class is the 6th class. So we call them that this is the 6th class. We are not counting the number of students in that class, but we are taking them, we are considering them as a whole. हम उन्हें एक पूरी फॉर्म में कंसिडर करते हैं. सो द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विल मेक दैट क्लास एज अ कंप्लीट क्लास. We are not talking about any particular student. All the students are sitting in the class and in a combine we call that class as a class. Is it okay? We name that room as a class. Let's go for more examples. For example, a bouquet of flowers. Next is a crowd of people. When we take many people gathering at a place, then we call it a crowd. भीड़ हो जाती है ना, we call a crowd of people. A herd of animals, जब बहुत सारे animals इकट्ठे हों one place पर, then we call it a herd of animals. We are having many sentences. Let's go through them. Collective noun. At very first place we are having a team of players. When we find number of players, then what do? We call it a team of players at the place of a number of players. A team of players, because number of players are gathered at one place and we are taking them as a whole. Next example is a box of crayons. When we are having crayons colors and we are putting them together, we will call it a box of crayons. Next is a crowd of people. And at number 4, the fleet of ships was waiting at the port. Fleet of ships means जहाँ पर जो समुद्री जहाज हैं वो खड़े होते हैं, तो then we call that place fleet of ships. At number 5, Mona has lost the bunch of keys. When we collect a number of keys at a certain place, in a certain ring we can say, then we call it a bunch of keys, because number of keys are placed in that ring, a bunch of keys. So these were a few examples for the elaboration of collective noun. Let's move forward for further examples. Yes class, we are having another interesting activity on collective nouns. We are having pictures of many things collected at one place and we are taking them as a whole. So now we will see that which collective noun do we use for them. For example, here given a group of flies, a swarm of flies. A group of grapes ko what do we call? A bunch of grapes. Similarly, we see that a group of stars, जब number of stars are collected at one place and we are taking them as a whole, so we call it a cluster of stars. A cluster of stars. Now we are having here playing cards. a pack of playing cards. So what do? We will go with a pack of playing cards. Here we are having animals, so we will go with a herd of animals. Now here we are having many flowers, so we will call it a bunch of flowers. And we are having fleet here, number of ships, so we will call it a fleet of ships. And number of birds are gathered at one place. In order to take them as whole, we will use with the collective noun flock, a flock of birds. So we see, students, that this was our collective noun. I hope the topic is quite clear to you. Don't forget to frame your own nouns related to collective nouns. Thank you class for watching video. Keep on watching, keep on getting good.